Okay, first question I'm answering from Facebook today is about kale chips. Everyone's saying baked kale, how do I make kale chips? Any good recipes? Here's the story with baked kale and with kale chips. Don't buy kale chips at the store. They are total food fakers. If you flip that bag around, you're going to see dozens of fat grams, hundreds and hundreds of calories for a tiny serving size. Don't do it. It makes me so angry, really angry. I want to smash the bags at the store when I see them, but I don't do that. Anyway, make them at home. So you get your kale, you got to like prep it, wash it, whatever. Then spray a little olive oil on it. I use olive oil Pam or just a little bit of a mist of olive oil, not a lot. And then you put that in a preheated oven at 425 degrees and bake it for about 5 to 8 minutes. And you have a nice, crispy, really good for you, low calorie snack. Don't buy the bagged stuff at the store. Do not buy pre-made kale chips. They have tons of calories. Okay. Have I said it enough? Bye. See you later.